You're watching TPM Vid Spotlight Series.
Company.
Hey,
wow.
Hey.
All right.
How do, people?
All right. Hey, don't mind us. We'll be finished in just a minute in here.
Yeah.
Hey,
What?
hey.
What's that? Hey, how
What are
you doing?
you guys still doing here? You were supposed to be at a show.
We're working.
Now.
I'd like to introduce our lovely manager.
Yeah, she's usually not like this, folks.
Yeah, she's usually worse.
I heard that. Where is my limo? Good. Okay, come on, guys. Please, get in the car. Sorry, folks. We gotta go.
One more time. Make sure you lower this.
Chris, can you grab my black Les Paul?
Vocal back down. And the drums up. Hey, wait a minute. We can't leave these people here like this.
We can't?
No.
Come on, you know how we feel about our fans.
Yeah, that's right.
Well, guys, what do you expect me to do? Send them all with you?
How about some backstage passes?
Wait a minute. I love that idea. How about some backstage passes?
Oh.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah, come on.
Make it happen. Get some.
Okay. I'll make it happen.
Have a nice ride.
Hi, Sal, it's me. Listen, I'm gonna need a bigger car. Make it a stretch. In fact, make it a super stretch. Great. Excuse me. Okay, folks. Look, the show is all the way across town, but I got you a really fast car.
To the forum.
Okay, wait, it's out in the alley. Hey, guys! Taxi! Oh, what am I doing? I know, this is LA, right?
Broadcasting live in the hottest show in town, the Aerosmith concert. I almost couldn't make it in time because traffic is jammed in all directions, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Just keep it right here on LA's classic rock station. Exit to your right. All right, Aerosmith is taking the stage. Oh, check out Steven Tyler's hat. Okay, Ellie, crank it up, because we're getting ready to rock on this exclusive live broadcast.
Only just getting started.
Welcome back. Exit to your right and walk this way.
Salvation,